Welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to download Netflix into your laptop. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to download Netflix into your laptop, you just simply have to open Microsoft Store application, and after opening Microsoft Store, this homepage will appear into Microsoft Store. Now into here, you just simply have to tap into this search button at the top, and from there search for Netflix. And after searching the Netflix, this Netflix application in white and red logo will appear. Now you just simply have to open this and tap into this get button, and after a short processing time depending on your internet connection, your Netflix application will successfully be installed into your desktop or laptop. By following these very easy steps, you can also download Netflix into your laptop. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.